German business insiders attending the third Sino-German Sci-tech Forum in Quanzhou, East China's Fujian province, spoke highly of the economic cooperation between the two countries. The two-day forum, which concluded on Thursday, attracted more than 200 participants from China and Germany.
Wir haben eine lange Zeit der wirtschaftlichen Beziehungen, der technischen Beziehungen. Die Volksrepublik China ist gewachsen wirtschaftlich, zu einer bedeutenden Volkswirtschaft geworden. Das wünsche ich mir, dass es hier von dieser Stadt Quanzhou ausgeht. Maritime Seidenstraße war das früher und dass uns diese Stadt auch den Geist gibt, die Horizonte zu weiten.
I think it's a good chance to invest in China because China is still very prosperous and a great chance for many people to see what you already have achieved, and I'm pretty sure that you will achieve more. Autonomous driving, artificial intelligence, these things, I think they are growing rapidly here in this country. Northern China, and could see the agricultural field, what they have done. They are really to optimize the crops and using artificial intelligence for the fields, and so this is amazing. I think that would be really also interesting to invest for the consumption market.
Current business cooperation between China and Germany is very good. For 7 consecutive years, China has been the most important trading partner of Germany, and vice versa. Germany has been the most important trading partner within the European Union for China. We had some lighthouse investment in the last year, and we believe also in this year this will continue. We strongly believe that this will continue to be an interesting market for multinationals and also for German companies.